Ladies and gentlemen, let's now talk about units. Units is the basic factor when it comes to drawings, and it's usually your number one step. Before you draw, you have to set up your units. So to activate the units command, you type in UN anywhere in your drawing area. Just type in UN, that's the shortcut for units, and automatically under the command line or the command window, it's going to type in the command you've just typed. So for UN, it stands for units. Hit enter. A dialog box is going to pop up. This is the drawing units dialog box, and under the length type we have decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, scientific. This is where you get to choose the type of length you want to use. So depending on the country that you're in, Indians, they usually use the architectural type length. This gives you feet and inches. But in other countries in Africa like Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, we often use the decimal. So the decimal gives you metric measurements. That is, you can work with millimeters, meters, kilometers, yeah, any scale of your liking. So in our drawings, we will be using millimeters. So for the angle side, likewise, we will also be using decimal, degrees, and a precision of 0. Yes, that's how we set up units in AutoCAD. See you on the next one.